Hi, I'm standing here next to a beautiful Tandem computer. I think everyone recognizes this fine computer. I built it last week in just an hour using one tool on the knife. Now I really only need probably one more tool as we go forward, and that's the toothpick. That is, as you stand servicing this computer, you'd probably only need the toothpick. So, fantastic knife. If you're servicing Tandem, you only need one tool. However, if you were to be servicing this computer hypothetically called Splatus, you probably could use every single tool. And I'll just illustrate a few because there's a lot of tools here. But here we see the saw. The saw is really valuable on a system like this that mechanically is weak. And then, of course, once you've got the door open, you may need the tool for pulling out the boards. Perfect for that. And then you may have some problems with the cables because they don't fit together just right. You got a good knife here. Perfect for that. Now, some of these machines like these have problems in the boards. That's called a board fixer, where they didn't drill get all the holes right, so you just ream it out. Works perfect. Look at that. If you got more problems with the cables, you can't get them with your knife, we got trusty scissors here. There it is. That's the bad one. You see lots of potential for that one. But of course, what really matters on a system like this is the MIP looker. These machines, some of these people claim high MIPs, but the problem is when you start looking for the MIPs. So you can use this to find the MIPs. There's a MIP. That's about how they measure their MIPs. So you'll find that a tool like this on a Tandem, you don't really need it very often, but it reminds you of the quality we have in our system. But for a competitor, if they had one like this, of course, they'd find it very valuable. Thanks again for making Tandem #1 in customer satisfaction for 5 of the last 6 years.